to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I am the Welders wife. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. Also, if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to welcome you back to another one of my videos. Thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube family. As for today, we are doing another What's for Dinner. If you're new here, I post these every single Sunday, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of those. And today's is very special because it is all Crockpot meals. These are all of our favorite, not all of our favorite, but some of our favorite Crockpot meals, and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. I love these because I can throw them in the Crockpot before I head to work, and they're done when I get home, and I just have to make side dishes or do a little bit of things to the item in the Crockpot, so they're super easy. Even if you're not a working mom, if you're a busy mom, it's just super easy to throw into the Crockpot. And also it's summertime and we do not want to heat up the whole entire house by making a bunch of stuff in the oven, so this is a great alternative for that as well. Anyways, that's enough rambling. Let's hop into today's What's for Dinner. Hey guys, so tonight we're going to be having barbecue pulled beef sliders, and so I'm going to start this in the morning before I leave for work. So just have my crock pot, and I'm going to put my crock pot liner in here. So here I just have our chuck roast, and I'm just going to season that with some Cavendars. Then I'm just gonna place it in the crock pot. And then this is the barbecue sauce that I like. It's the Stubbs barbecue sauce. I just buy a massive thing of it, and I'm gonna put it in the crock pot. Put it on low while you're at work or for 8 hours, and then it'll be done. Okay guys, so as you saw, I just shredded up the beef and I put it to warm because it is done now. And now I'm going to be making coleslaw, and you guys, this is the best coleslaw and the easiest coleslaw ever. It's so good. So you just need a bag of the tricolor coleslaw, 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and then you'll need 3 teaspoons of milk and 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. I'm gonna add a bunch of pepper just because I like a lot of pepper. You can do this or you don't have to. It's still gonna be good either way, but I just like a little spice to it, so I add a lot of pepper. All right, and then we're just gonna stick this in the refrigerator until it's time to eat. Okay, so now it's time to make the sliders, and this is seriously so easy. So I just have this Sam's Choice Sweet Hawaiian Rolls. gonna put those on my cookie sheet. Then I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna cut them in half. Okay, so now that I have them cut in half, I'm just gonna take my barbecue beef and I'm just going to place it on the bottom part and try not to get a lot of the juice or the sauce because you don't want them to like get soggy. And you're just gonna place the top of the rolls back on. And then you're just going to bake this in the oven, you know, until the rolls are warm. I say like 5 or 10 minutes on 400 degrees. Okay guys, this is what they look like when they're done. I just made some Arby's curly fries, and if y'all have been here a while, if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know that I always put pepper on top of my ketchup. It's so good. If you haven't tried it like that, do it. And then I just have some extra coleslaw on the side because it's so good, and then I put slaw on my sliders as well. And that is what is for dinner tonight. So good. You guys, this is so good. You have to try this. If you don't try anything else, you have to try this coleslaw and these sliders. So delicious. Anyways, that's dinner. Let's eat. Good morning, you guys. Today we're going to be making chicken tacos for tonight. So all you're gonna need is some chicken breast tenderloins. I have 2 packets. I have 2 jars of the Texas salsa. This is our favorite. And then I have this for chicken broth. I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm only gonna use half of this. Now I'm just gonna place the chicken in here in the bottom of the crock pot. So we're gonna pour about half of this chicken broth in there. Not even half. I would say a quarter. And that's just to help like keep it moist. It's gonna give it a little bit of flavor, but it's really just to keep it moist. And then you're just gonna take your jar of salsa. Put that on top. Kind of mix it around. Make sure it's all nice and coated. Okay. Then you're just going to cook that on low for 8 hours while you're at work. Hey guys, I'm home from work now. I had a super long day. This chicken is done and looking bomb.com. So all you're gonna do is shred your chicken for your chicken tacos. You could leave it whole if you wanted to. Like I always say, it's your kitchen. Do whatever you want to do. No one can judge you for doing what you like to do. I mean, they can, but no one really cares. Okay guys, this is what dinner looks like tonight. I just got some queso in there with that chicken. Oh, it's so good. So good. And some Spanish rice and some refried beans on the side. That is what is for dinner tonight. Let's eat. Good morning, you guys. Tonight we are going to be having Crockpot Salisbury Steak, and I'm so excited for this one because it's so good. Now I should have doubled my recipe because we're a family of 4, but my husband likes to eat a lot, and so I should have doubled this recipe, but it'll be fine. So just know if you're making this for more than like 2 or 3 people, I would probably double this recipe. So anyways, all you're gonna need is some cube steak, a French onion soup, a cream of mushroom soup, a jus gravy packet, and a half a cup of water. So all you're gonna do is put your soups and your gravy and water mix into the bottom of your pan. or in the bottom of your crock pot, in the bottom of your pan. And take your water. And then you're just gonna mix everything around and stir it. Make sure everything is nice and mixed. Okay, once you have everything nice and mixed in the bottom of your crock pot, you're just going to place your Salisbury steaks inside of that. I try to like coat mine with the soup or the juice from here as best you can. Okay, and then you're just gonna place it on low and you're gonna cook it for 8 hours until you get home from work, and then we'll see what it looks like when we get home. Hey guys, so I'm home from work now and I have the Salisbury steaks dispersed. They are nice and done, but now I'm gonna show you guys how to thicken up the gravy in here so you can use it over your mashed potatoes and over your Salisbury steak. Super, super simple. You're just gonna need some cornstarch and water. So you're gonna put 3 tablespoons of water into your bowl, and then 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Gonna whisk that together, and then you're just gonna pour it into your crock pot, and then you'll just whisk that and it's gonna thicken up your gravy. Okay guys, this is what dinner looks like tonight. I just have some homemade mashed potatoes with that gravy on top and green beans, the French style green beans, and then look at that Salisbury steak. So yummy, so good. That's what's for dinner tonight. Let's eat. Okay, so tonight we're going to be making potato soup. This is the best potato soup ever, and it's so easy. So all you're gonna need is 32 ounces of chicken broth, a can of cream of celery soup, some real bacon bits, and a thing of the southern hash browns, which are just the cubed hash browns. Now everybody likes different types of potatoes in their hash browns. So if you like a different, style or texture, you can use whatever you wish. But this is the style that I like to use. And so I've got my crock pot liner in. I'm gonna add my potatoes, and then later on, you're gonna need 8 ounces of cream cheese, but like I said, that's gonna be later on. So now we're gonna add our 32 ounces of chicken broth. Now I'm gonna add our cream of celery soup. We're just gonna stir all that around. Now we're gonna add some bacon bits. And then I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. I'm gonna give that a nice stir. I have my crock pot on low, and so we're gonna cook that while we're at work, and when we come home, we'll finish. Hey guys, so we are home from work now, or I am, and I've got the potato soup turned to warm now because the potatoes are done. And then I've got this 8 ounces of cream cheese, just the Great Value brand. And what you're gonna wanna do next is you're gonna wanna cut this into cubes and put it into your crock pot and let it sit for an hour. I come back every like 15 minutes and I'll stir it until the cream cheese is nice and, you know, mixed around and melted in there. I'm just gonna stir this all around. Okay, now I'm gonna put the lid back on for an hour while that cream cheese gets melted. Okay guys, our potato soup is done. It looks so amazing. I just topped mine with some cheese. You could put bacon bits, you could put onion, you could do all kinds of things with your potato soup. So this is what it looks like. So delicious. I am starving. So that's dinner tonight. Let's eat. All right guys, that is it for today's What's for Dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.